Imagine 10 years from now. What will you regret more, the choices you made or the ones you didn't? Let's be honest. Every choice we make today shapes our tomorrow. Every small decision, each tiny yes or no, these add up. But here's the tricky part. It's not just about resisting temptation once. It's about how that one choice could spark a pattern, a habit that might define you a decade from now. Yeah, I get it. That cookie is calling your name. But let's talk about something bigger than cookies and cravings. Here's the question. When you're faced with two options, one that's easy but meaningless and one that's tough but transformative, which do you choose? Think about it. Would you prefer to have developed a pattern of impulse buys, junk food binges, or shortcuts that leave you feeling empty? Or would you prefer to be someone who values the future over fleeting moments of pleasure? Now imagine yourself a decade from now, looking back on today. If you picture that moment clearly enough, the thought of letting your life stay the same, or worse, slip backward, can feel almost unbearable. How does that version of you feel about the choice you're making right now? The simple truth? Self-discipline isn't about denying yourself every little indulgence. It's about setting the right precedents, training yourself to prioritize what truly matters. Sure, it won't work every single time, nobody's perfect, but that's okay. If this mindset even gets you to pause, just for a second, that's progress. Not today, Satan. Because 10 years from now, your future self will either thank you or wonder why you didn't start sooner.